Hey guys, I'm back. First things first, this video is not sponsored and I will be giving my personal opinions. Let's unbox. Inside the box, we get a bunch of stickers, then the laptop itself, user guide, charging brick, literally brick, and a cable which connects the charger to all outlet. The output rating is 180 watt at 9 amps. This particular variant has AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor with 2.9 base clock and it can go up to 4.2 GHz boost clock. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti with 6 GB GDDR6 VRAM, 16 GB DDR4 3200 MHz SDRAM. However, two sodium sockets are given to expand the RAM up to 32 GB in dual channel mode. 1 TB of 5400 RPM SATA HDD drive, 512 GB NVMe SSD in PCIe Gen 3 socket. If you purchase GTX 1660 Ti and above models, you get 2 SSD slots which are expandable up to 1 TB of storage. It has a 3-cell 48 Wh battery, but if you opt for the SSD only option and don't want the HDD slot, you will get a 4-cell 90 Wh battery. Talking about the display, it is a 15.6 inch 1080p 144Hz LED-backlit IPS-level panel with 45% NTSC, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5. As per the website, the laptop weighs 2.3 kilograms. Let's talk about the design. On the top, we have smooth metal finishing with the logo. The color is fortress grey as they call it. On the bottom, there is honeycomb pattern and some cutouts for the airflow. The brushed metal finishing inside feels premium. On the upper side, we get some more air vents, power button and 4 LEDs which indicate power state, battery charging status, hard drive status and flight mode. On the lower side, we get decent sized trackpad with separate left and right click button. The keyboard is chiclet style RGB backlit with separate numpad keys, which is very handy. The washed keycaps are transparent. There is no keyboard flex and the keys make minimal sound while typing. On the right side, you get a cutout for the speaker, a USB 2.0 Type A port, air vents and Kensington lock. On the left side, there is a charging port, LAN port, HDMI 2.2 B port, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C G-Sync enabled display port 1.4, 3.5 mm combo audio jack and a cutout for the speaker. The camera here is 720p surrounded by microphone array and a camera status LED. You ready? Boom! Now you are listening through the laptop's microphone and the camera quality, as you can see, is pretty average. Now let's talk about some features which I find interesting in this laptop. First off, the display. It is anti-glare and has adaptive sync technology which prevents screen tearing, stuttering and lag. As I mentioned earlier, with only 45% NTSC, professional color work is out of the way, as at least 72% NTSC is preferred. You can change the display refresh rate from the Windows display settings. There are two graphics settings to reduce latency and enable variable refresh rate when possible. The speakers are backed by DTS and produce loud and clear sound with deeper bass. Various presets are provided in the DTS app and can be fine-tuned by the user as needed. It comes with Windows 10 Home pre-installed and activated with digital license key. There are some pre-installed apps such as McAfee Security, My ASUS, Armory Crate, Microsoft Office 365 Trial and Sticky Notes. This laptop is also compatible for Windows Mixed Reality, Virtual Reality and real-time ray tracing. You can also upgrade the components by yourself, and something which I would recommend you to do after the first boot is move the SSD to the other slot which is away from the heat pipe just to be on the safer side. This is something I found out in his video. While opening the back panel, be very careful here as you may leave some permanent tattoos like I did. Not everybody is an artist. Remove all the screws. Use something wider and flat to pop open the back panel without damaging it. Remove the screw. Gently remove the SSD. Remove the other screw. Insert the SSD at an angle as shown in the video. It should go easily, do not force it, and then screw it back in. The back panel will pop up from here as shown in the pictures. Well, that's it for today. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. See you guys in the next one.